Let's see how to italicize text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to emphasize our text, and we can do that by either changing it to bold, italic, or underlining our text. And let's say that we want to italicize our text. And what we can do is first highlight the text that we want to italicize. Let's say we want to italicize this first sentence right here. Now make sure that you're on the Home tab and look for the letter I right here under the font section, which says italic. Now when you click on that, it should automatically change your highlighted text into italic. To make it even faster or easier for yourself, you can also just click Control and I on your keyboard, just like this, to also set your text or remove the italic format. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.